Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a message from a WhatsApp group for everyone. That is, if you are an administrator of a group, if somebody mistakenly send a message, instead of telling them to delete, you can easily delete it for everyone in the group so that nobody will see the message. So for example, this message, let's see this one, somebody sent this message, and if you want to delete it, the first thing you do is that if you are using Android, you place your finger on the message like this for some seconds. Then you see this delete button that is like a basket. You click on it and it will show delete for everyone, delete for me, and cancel. You click on delete for everyone. If you take delete for everyone, okay, you take delete for everyone, you see the message has gone. You deleted this message as admin, so as I've deleted the message, it has been deleted for everyone. It has been deleted for everyone. See, you have deleted this message as admin, so anybody who is in this group cannot see this message again. Okay, so there's another video I've done on how to block someone from sending a message in a WhatsApp group. You check it in my next video. Thank you for watching.